Biology MCQs. Chapter 6 Transport in Flowering Plants. Quiz 5. A plant stem was dissected into a number of different tissues. Each tissue was tested for the presence of starch, protein, and reducing sugar. The results are shown in the table. What tissue is the xylem? Options: starch, protein, sugar. A. Present, absent, present. B. Present, absent, absent. C. Absent, present, present. D. Absent, absent, absent. Option D, absent, 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 is the correct answer. The diagram shows a cross section of a leaf. Samples of the contents of cell X are tested. Question 2 continues. Which results will be obtained? Options: Benedict's solution, iodine in a potassium iodide solution. A. Positive positive. B. Positive negative. C. Negative positive. D. Negative negative. Option D. Negative negative is the correct answer. A leafy shoot is placed in a beaker containing a solution of a colored dye. The diagram shows part of a section of the stem after 2 days. Which part is now most colored by the dye? A, B, C, D. Option C is the correct answer. The diagram shows a section through a stem. What is the main transport function of tissue Q? Options: substance transported, carried from, carried to. A. Sugar, roots, leaves. B. Sugar, leaves, root. C. Water, roots, leaves. D. Water, leaves, roots. Option C. Water, roots, leaves is the correct answer. The diagram shows a cross section through a stem. The tissues labeled X in the stem were treated with a poison that prevents respiration. As a result, the movement of sugar through X slowed down. Question 5 continues. What identifies the tissue and explains the observation? Options: tissues, explanation, energy not released by. A. Phloem, mitochondria in the companion cells. B. Phloem, mitochondria in sieve tubes. C. Xylem, mitochondria in the vessels. D. Xylem, nuclei in the vessels. Option A, phloem, mitochondria in the companion cells, is the correct answer. The transpiration rates of well watered plants were measured at 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, and 30 degrees Celsius. Which bar chart shows the results obtained? A, B, C, D. Option D is the correct answer. The diagram shows the pathway of water through a flowering plant. Where does most transpiration take place? A, B, C, D. Option B is the correct answer. A plant is left in the hot sun for 6 hours. The diagram shows how the appearance of the plant changes during this time. Question 8 continues. Which statement explains the change in appearance of the plant? A. More water is lost by transpiration than is absorbed. B. Stomata have closed. C. The water potential of the cell has increased. D. There is less support provided by the xylem. Option A. More water is lost by transpiration than is absorbed is the correct answer. A plant was placed in a bell jar in warm, brightly lit conditions. The air in the jar contained carbon dioxide, in which the carbon atoms had been made radioactive. Question 9 continues. After an hour, thin slices were cut from the stem and placed on photographic film, which became black when exposed to radioactivity. Which diagram shows the areas where the film became black? A, B, C, D. Option A is the correct answer. The diagram shows a plant in a flask of water. It is left for 6 hours on a warm and windy day in bright sunlight. Question 10 continues. Which process explains the result shown in diagram 2? A. Active transport of water into the root hairs. B. Evaporation of water from the flask. C. Photosynthesis in the leaves of the plant. D. Transpiration from the leaves of the plant. Option D. Transpiration from the leaves of the plant is the correct answer. For more videos, keep watching our YouTube channel. To practice more quizzes, visit our website mcq.theproreaders.com.